Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to the breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth. This lovely unfinished 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathroom house spreads across 2 floors and is located in the quiet farming community of Bonavista, Myersville. Set on 0.25 acres of land, this property offers ample space to plant fruit trees, do some landscaping, or start a vegetable garden. The ground floor of this property consists of a powder room, kitchen, living and the dining room, washroom, a bedroom with closet, bathroom, and entry porch, side porch, and a garage with a garage door. The first floor consists of a master bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom, 3 other bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a front porch. The house is approximately 85% complete. Bonavista is located near to the bustling commercial town of Santa Cruz, where banks, supermarkets, healthcare facilities, schools, and government services can be found. Enjoy all the attractions located in the environs, like Little Ochi in Alligator Pond, Wise Falls, Lover's Leap, or the Black River Safari, to name a few. Rural living offers the benefit of closeness to nature, fresh, clean air, and a stronger sense of community. What are you waiting for? Call for an appointment to view. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million, US 190.1 thousand, Canadian 272.1 thousand, Euro 174.6 thousand, or 147.7 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.